Hello friends, we are entering SS Linden floor here, and this is a spacious floor. We are at the entry of this floor here, and the surroundings are very clean. It is a ventilated place, properly highlighted. Here we are entering the first bedroom here. There is an attached washroom. So much of space is there. There's a lot of sunlight and proper ventilation. The quality of the material is very good, and we have got almiras here. Big balconies are there on both the sides, both in the front and at the back. We are going to see that as well. At the entry you can have a small, there is a mall there. You see the balcony, the size of balcony. It is a spacious balcony covering all the bedrooms. Two bedrooms are on the back side of the floor, and two bedrooms are on the front side of the floor. So they are not small balconies separated from each other. There is one balcony attaching all the bedrooms on one side, so which makes it very spacious. And big balcony adds a lot of beauty to the floor. Now we are going to the second bedroom here. This is the master bedroom with attached dressing area with woodwork here, as well as this washroom. This is the center common place. This is one more room. Again, a common bathroom is attached here. Now we are heading towards the rooms in the front side of the floor. So much of light, so much of space, and a lot of greenery around. Again, attached washroom with cupboards and all are there. Now we are heading towards the kitchen. The modular kitchen is there. This is again a very big kitchen with all fittings, and this is the balcony. Again, as a single balcony is heading towards, a single balcony is attaching all the rooms and the kitchen in the front side, which makes it a very big balcony. Now we are moving to the drawing room. This is again a very big room here, and in all the rooms you will have air conditioners. So this is a small tour of the floor at SS Linden.